The Ferrari F12 Berlinetta, a masterpiece of Italian engineering, design, and emotion. Every line, every curve of this car tells a story of passion and performance. Under its long, sculpted hood lies a 6.3-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, delivering an incredible 730 horsepower and 690 Newton-meters of torque. This power is sent straight to the rear wheels through a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. From 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, it takes just 3.1 seconds, pure adrenaline in motion. The F12 can reach a top speed of 340 kilometers per hour, but it's not just about speed. It's about control, precision, and the feeling you get when the V12 roars through the mountains. The symphony of its exhaust is like music, echoing through the winding roads, making every shift, every turn, a thrill to remember. Inside, the driver's seat feels like the cockpit of a jet, connecting man and machine in perfect harmony. Its aerodynamic body channels air with perfection, reducing drag, increasing downforce, and keeping the car stable even at incredible speeds. The Ferrari F12 Berlinetta is not just a car, it's a dream brought to life. A statement of power, passion, and perfection. This is the heart of Ferrari. This is pure emotion on wheels.